All right, so I think we're on. Yeah, I think this will be a short video, short session. But I was thinking it would be really nice if I had not just varying frames, but if we also had varying sets of frames. So if we had like a taller one, maybe a double height, and if we had one that's maybe a little bit shorter too, or maybe something in the middle. That way there's just more variety to the grass, and it's not so uniform. I also had to have to fix, since we're using this one shot, it's always going to play to the end. So when that's done, what we want to do is, right, when the animation is done down here, we want to pick a random frame. So it's going to be, I think, what we do up here. Yeah, so we're going to make that a function. It's going to be choose random frame. So we're going to plop that in. Okay, and we're going to do that here too. Yeah, I made it a function since we're doing it multiple times now. So when we load it up, we're choosing a random frame and also down here. And then we're going to also add a, like choose, well, we're only doing that one once, but it's pretty much going to be something like we're going to put all those textures into an array. And this is going to change to restall 0. And we'll just preload all of these. And choose random texture. I'm going to make it a function. It's going to be texture equals do save copy as install1. We're going to open that. I'm going to close the first one so I make sure I don't edit that. Zoom this guy in a bit. Man, it really does not like when I'm streaming this program. And so we're going to do canvas size. I'm just going to make the height 16. Do it from the bottom. There. Zoom that out. I think we probably need to modify the, oops, so let's try it. Like the base should not be so uniform. Get it like that. That works for me. Whatever. Let's see. Cool. And let's just see what happens if we get that one in there for now. And see, now it has me thinking I should be using an animated sprite. Because then we could use a sprite sheet. That's alright, we'll keep it this way. Gives us options. So I'm just going to export that as PNG. Yes. That just overwrite. Oh, man. That's annoying. That's alright. It doesn't matter a whole lot. Is there a way I can batch rename? I guess not. Let's just delete that. Oh, that's why. Okay. Such excellent naming. We can change this. It's going to just be grass tall, low, small. And we're going to duplicate you. Just replace the frames. The naming's inconsistent, but screw it. So that should update eventually. Let's see how that affects this. Yeah, so we need the offset. Is there an offset or no? There's no offset. So I think it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 pixel offset. So I think if equals then we're going to do this has to be okay. I think we do have to duplicate that. Or maybe I can just, yeah, we have that, so we should be fine. Is this right? All right, cool. So I think that'll just work. I don't know why that got all messed up. The grass layer looks really weird. Oh, whoops. We're already getting that. Oops, no, let's just sprite that texture. And let's do that. Let's go sprite that position Y. Set texture. Choose it, we set it, we check if it's large, and we adjust the position accordingly. That should work. I still don't know why the grass tile map before these instances are made. It looks weird. Okay, so those are not getting created separately, and I think what we're going to do is turn that off. And we have to duplicate it. That should make it all separate. Beautiful. Yeah, that looks a lot better. The varying heights, totally. I can definitely tweak the art, but this is more like what I wanted. I'd probably do like a really small one too. Right, so there's no shader. I think probably traditionally it's done with a shader. I was watching clips of Animal Well, and it looks like they actually use a method like mine. Oh, I need to make sure these aren't animating here. So they're playing on the initial. So maybe I just have to set the current frame. See, I don't know if they are going to a random frame. I feel like it's always ending on that frame. Maybe it's still playing. Oh, yeah. We have to wait until that texture's done playing. Well, I'm not sure this has a signal. No, it doesn't. Which is telling me more and more that I just need to use an animation player. And so let's give that method a whirl. Not an animation player, but animated sprite. And unless we're getting bugs here. Let me just see if that wasn't the issue first. I doubt it was. Let's see. Oh, this is wrong. We want. Oh, we're we're choosing a random frame up here. It's so weird. It doesn't look like it's choosing a random frame at all. I also think we're hitting too many. Alright, so I think we're just gonna delete this method. We don't have to do it right away, but and I want to do some renaming. Done with that too. Alright, grass tall ASE. Oops. Just rename it in here. Come on, let me. Oh my gosh. Grass tall. Let's call it large. Now we had 8 FPS. We can just stick with that for now. Alright, so well, 1 second. Go. That's right. So now we shouldn't need those. Let's just get rid of it. You know what? I'm not gonna delete it just yet. Let's see, I need to take a look at. I don't see a clear way. Oh, here we go. We have frames, animation. Get animation names. Yeah, so we just do that. Be real easy. So it's just gonna be like util.choose. And then call that up here. So, let's do let's just get rid of this. We're committing. And what's your position? -1. That here. I guess we would just use offset for that. And turn off centers, right? Oh no, leave it on. Oh, whoops. Now I just do play. I take that back. We're not playing it. We're just setting it. Because I think by default, if we call play, yeah, you don't need that. It'll just play whatever it's set to. And choose random frame. We have to change that. I think now we're just gonna do dot frame equals add sprite dot frames. What do we have to do? Go here, get frame count. Frames dot get frame count. Oh, it's kind of a pain in the butt. I think we're gonna set that up here. So get rid of sprite. Just delete that crap. We don't need texture anymore. We don't need that. We never use that. And oh no, we do need the timer. What do I need to get up here? One, and we're going to set frame count here. Okay. Frame count. This is going to now be animate sprite playing. We could just do play and stop. Playing. And then fix that. Let's see what I did. Just stop play. Stop and choose a random frame to end on. What else? Yeah. So unless I'm overlooking something, that should all work. Oh, close. Get animation names. Frames. Yep. Cool. What are you meowing about, cat? Okay, I think I'm gonna do one more. That's maybe even larger. It's gonna be XL. Open that up. So we don't need these. We can clean up all of this crap now. All we need are those sprite sheets. Now there's one I need to keep. It's not that one. Tall PNG. Yeah, I'm deleting them too. Right. Yeah, why is it using that frame? For the grass. Oh, this went to, oh, we overrode it with the wrong. I'm going to write a short script. So we want to replace all of those with this new one. And so we'll do YOLO small set YOLO and can't think with these damn motorcycles. Yeah, they're so cool. We have to do get use cells, make for cell. We're going to replace it. Set cell v cell. That's just going to be 2. and we want to tile the auto tile chord. All right, so false, 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 and so vector 2. So and frames. Okay. So when I make this a tool, it should just automatically set that. I call it YOLO because, yep, it worked. Cool. Because if it messed up, it could have really jacked up my tile set. That's nice. And so now we can go in and just delete this. So that's the old one. And give this a name. Grass tall small. Alright, right on. Kinda might be nice if we have like something like that. What are you meowing about, cat? Whoops, that was a little too much. What, cat? I hear you. They are chatty right now. Cool. Oh, I forgot I was making an XL. So now we have the XL. I was gonna get some music. So your offset. They're all -4, is that right? Except for small. XL. This is wrong. Um, and then we might do a weighted choose. Yeah, I think that really tall one is a bit too much. We're just going to delete that. Cool. Ay, ay, ay. Going to try and do a cutscene here. Let's see how that goes. Where's my player? Just want to bring them, skip them ahead to the action. What happens if I spawn them on a wall? I'm just curious. Will they walk off? I think so. Yeah. Alright. And the lighting's really nice in here, I think. Smooth. It's okay. So this person will tell you to check the statues, and if you start looking around, like maybe you check this one, and then they come after you. So that's gonna open up this passage. So we're gonna we're just gonna make them off screen. And they're gonna need some data. We'll do billboard. Okay. That's what they do. I'll be right back. Let's get a cozy AFK screen. I'll just be like 2 minutes. Right here. We're playing the game. Okay. shoot. I mean, we don't need this anyway. I don't think we need that third one. -27, -14, -13. So we can run that. Oops, I ran the whole game. We should see them move in from the left. Cutscene played. Let's look at this. Calling actor.teleport. Let's take a look. Maybe I only have it in the player right now. Okay, so we're just gonna copy that. We're gonna do teleport. Dot teleport. And in actor, just do that. So they were supposed to move in. You don't use dirt. I can just do that. So let's take a look there. Oh, it's an issue with my yielding. Wait until finished. Teleport. We're not advancing. Instead of return, it needs to be. And then we return. Clear out move speed. This also needs to be calling actor. I don't know why I was using player so much there. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, cool. Set facing. What? You have set facing right here, base nil. Oh, I know why. I think I know why. It's because we're calling this. This can't be up to the top like that. I mean, we could just have it yield. I think that is what we'll do. Which should give everything else time. No, it's not. Let's just put it at the bottom. Teleport new followers instant base nil. I don't know. Now, why is the player moving with them? Oh, right. Right. I don't know if we have to put them at the top. I think that was old. Yeah, we don't do that anymore. So now should work. All right, we're not setting their facing yet, but otherwise that's what we were looking for, right? I think we want to freeze the player too. That's the problem. Cool. So get this music off. Oh, whoops. We have to wait until I trigger that. So that would probably be when player interacts with that. We don't do that. Which castle? I think our flags needs to have, like, instead of setting these directly, we want to use a function in which we can emit a signal. No, then we don't get the completion. Autocomplete. Do. No. I need to see if the value changes. That's what I call that. We don't start it, we're just setting it up. So we're gonna need like a trigger, we could call it. Oh, we could just put it in here. Yeah, I like that. So if we interact with 41, negative 15, You're going to need different types of interactions. So interact with that. Wait, don't we have that? So then we can handle that. can't move. Is it the cutscene? Okay, player's broken now. It's weird. That might be what I'm calling. No. Hmm. Okay, so it's an issue with probably is moving. Ah, that's the problem. We have to do this down here. Now it should be good. Yep. So when I interact with that, is that just a type? Oh, duh. Eventually, we probably want to send that through. Beautiful. I think one other thing. What do we do exactly here? We pop the front. So when we start, we're gonna do so now it should reset. Oh, forgot to duplicate it again. We probably want to check I reset the queue? Can I stop it? I guess not. We can just wait for it to finish each time. So they definitely need to go back further. We'll have them come from like back here. So that's going to be 20 in here. So that's just getting them to their initial position. Right. Yeah, that's good. So they block us in. Then I think these three, we're going to move them up. So I think we'll have this one go here. This one will go up and to the right, and this one will go here. We're not going to wait for each of these. We're going to let them run simultaneously. Get this. And so those are going to be actors 2 and 3. And so let's give them names just so we know. It's going to be like Stowage 0. And then we can give them to the cutscene manager. Oops. 1, 2. Actually, I might change that, and so we go left to right. Let's actually change that. That way in the cutscene manager, it's just easier to read. Let me make sure those are updating automatically now. Whoops. We want 2 over here. Yeah. All right, cool. So wait, and then move. Stowage. The left one is going to go to 38, -14. Need to be able to queue up multiple actions for them. So we want them to do 40, -14. And we'll figure it out. So the middle one is just going to go straight up. And then left. Or up and right, so 40, -12. And they're going to do 41. And then they're going to rotate. Oops. What do we call this? Set facing? Facing change. Might rename that later. Actor and directions. It's gonna be actors 3. So yeah, we do up. So the fourth one is going to go just straight up to 42 negative 13. I think we're going to wait. So we'll wait on that. Let's move that. We want to wait here. Yeah, we have to figure that out. But you know what we can do? We can send their movement as an array. That's smart. Oh, not up there though. But for these have to all be arrays now. And yeah. Oh, I was doing this wrong. Don't do that. To also clean it up. I think we could even do that. Only a couple, I don't care. Leave this thing an array. Just have to update this. Call it cells, that. And we have to send that through. We have to update how we handle it. And we can just do like for cell and cells. Let's put that. So it'll loop through all of the cells and move through them. We might want to add for that like a finishing direction. So you don't have to worry about it there. So he's going up and right. This one up and right. You're going up and left. So maybe we just have you go right and then left. Or right and up. So you do 41 negative 7. then you move up. That way we don't have to worry about direction right now. You're going to go to the right first. You're going to be 43, negative 9. 9. You're going to go up to there, 43, negative 13. Then you're going to go to 42, negative 13. We don't have to worry about that facing change now. Alright, so let's give that a whirl. We wait half a second. Okay, that was not right. The first one went too far up. It's negative 13. I can't tell if it did it right. It's so fast. Let's slow them down. Reload that. Yeah, why are they doing that diagonal movement? It's like they're not yielding. Wait until finished. Oh, right. Okay, this has to go back. Close. Do here we do this cells. I'm gonna see if splitting these functions up will get me what I need. Because then I can await. I'll just run it instead of talking. Close. I think I forgot to put the yield in cells. If cells, let's do this. The idea is that we want them moving at the same time if we're not saying wait until they're finished, but we also need them to wait for their individual movements. Yeah, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted, except I have them at the wrong position. So you need to go to -14. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Then we can run some dialogue and go from there. But that's kind of how I pictured this. Alright, so we will wrap that up later. Let me know if you have any questions. Goodbye.